This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's got the LT trim on it. Z71 four-wheel drive. It's got new wheels and tires. Open country Toyo all-terrains. And the 20-inch fuel wheels. So the tires are P285 55 20s. Bumper's dented in there. It's got a tow package, backup camera, spray-on bed liner, black cloth seats. Got the brushed aluminum door sill plate. There's your floor mats. You got a 12-volt port there on the back side. Sorry, it's super dusty out right now. Got a little damage here on the door from somebody's elbow, probably resting on it. WeatherTech floor liners, power driver seat, 40-20-40 split bench, 74,000 miles, cruise control, automatic headlights, there's your Bluetooth, tow package, there's your backup camera. You got the dual zone automatic climate control. Underneath you do have a 110 outlet as well as a 12-volt port. A little cubby there. Got a dual glove box, locking on the top. And there's your owner's manual. You do have the LED map lights. You got your ONSTAR there on the bottom of the mirror. This is a remote keyless entry, and it has the remote start feature.